I always love this Alchemilla Mollis or Ladies mantle just after the rain. It's all these little drops of water, look like little diamonds. Looks fantastic. All the flower heads just starting to appear. This is a very good ground cover plant, and it gives you a lot of joy, or gives us a lot of joy throughout the year. Dies back in the winter, but now on it's coming back to its full glory. Looks pretty stunning, and as I say, look at that little water drops just on there. Looks fantastic. Just swing round, and now on here we've got the raised bed, which this year we're letting it go wild. And we've got the little tiny geraniums, which the bees absolutely love, as you can see here. Busy bee today, look at that. Absolutely loving it. Got a few foxgloves in there as well now coming on. And big bee there, but not that big a bee. There's the foxgloves coming on. A little look in there, that's fun. Not very good with this camera, I must get myself a better camera, better phone. Okay. It's not done bad for a second-hand phone. Apparently in a very refined form. They do use ladies mantle medicinally for PMT, but you need to speak to your homeopathic specialist on that subject.